Eleanor Wenman last updated 1857, September 18, 2017. Graham Frew, the Burt Munro of the skies, is doing well in the Reno Championship air races. A Kiwi pilot dubbed the Burt Munro of the skies has beaten the odds in the world's fastest motorsport. Graham Frew has been flying his restored World War II fighter plane, bearing Munro's famous number 35, over the Nevada desert at the Reno Championship air races. And in classic Munro fashion, Frew fought his way up through the divisions, mechanical scares in tow, to reach the finals on Monday New Zealand time. Frew flew a YAK-3, like the one pictured here, reaching speeds of 550 km/h. FilePic Frew is the first Kiwi to compete at the Nevada race, not far from the Bonneville Salt Flats in neighboring Utah, where Munro's motorcycle became the world's fastest Indian. Read more. Adrenaline Junkies' first New Zealand team at Reno air races inspired by racing legend Burt Munro. Filmmaker brings Russia to Marlborough with wartime tale. Spitfire trio steals the show, but he almost did not race at all after the new engine in his Yak-3 failed the day before his first race. Burt Munro with his 1920 Indian Scout motorcycle. It took his crew 18 hours, working through rain and thunderstorms, to swap the old engine back in time. Munro was known for tweaking his 1920 Indian motorcycle on the fly. After Frew's engine setback, he found himself at the bottom of the table in the unlimited bronze class. But a win saw him advance through to the silver class. Another win saw Frew and his Yak-3, called Full Noise, qualify for the gold race. Up against 6 top pilots, the former Blenheim man put up a good fight, flying 8 laps of roughly 12 kilometers, reaching speeds of 550 km/h, but missed out on the top spot. The unlimited class consists of mainly World War II airplanes, many of which can reach speeds of 800 km/h, with most planes in the gold class able to complete the course in 9 minutes. Fan Jenny Mackie has been following the races, waking up at 4:30 a.m. to catch a glimpse of the World War II airplanes. Amazing racing, absolutely amazing racing. I won't get up that early if I didn't love it, she said. Some of Frew's races had been nerve-wracking to watch, she said. About 135 planes were flown in the races in different categories. Frew was up against 18 other pilots across the unlimited category. Stuff.